And we are back. You know, your boy Credit K dropping these gems, business credit, personal credit, crypto, finance, everything help you level up in life. Going in on it. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I got a great resource, great website. It actually has funding. It's not even a bank, but they have funding for your business. And they tell you how to get more funding. So let's talk about it. Hello, Alice. What's going on? Now, this company is the number one company where I go find grants. Um, Anything grant related. They have partnerships with different companies that help advertise the grants. So go ahead and sign up for this website. Make sure that you put all your pertinent information in. Use your business email addresses because they send you updates weekly about new grants that comes out monthly every quarter. They also have a business credit card. So this business credit card, which I'm going to drop a long format video of it, but this business credit card, which is backed by FNBO, does a soft pull pre-qualification. So you know if you get qualified, and say good news, you're qualified. And then they take about a week or so to after you go through the pre-qual and finish up the application, it takes about a week to finalize everything and get your final approval and everything. So that's what I'm waiting on now. So I'm waiting on that final approval, and I'll do an update video on that. And then you can also come here and apply for grants and business loans. Company's backed by great, reputable media outlets. So this company is not fugazi. They do know what they're talking about. It helps you grow. Here's other small business owners that they help grow through their resources. So like I said, you got funding. You get the credit cards and everything, secure a bank loan. They got guides, all kind of resources to get money, teach you how to partner with different companies to expand your business. If you're a restaurant, you definitely want to partner with DoorDash, get more orders out. If you're e-commerce, Shopify is a great website to use. And Alibaba, of course, if you're going to drop shipping, using your business credit cards to buy products and drop ship, Alibaba is the place to go for that. Impact, like I said, more sponsored branded grants. That stuff. Here's some information about the company, how they got started. They're purpose driven to fund businesses. And here's a owner of a store. She owns a bookstore and things of that nature. So that's, the Hello Alice pretty much in a nutshell. Once you log in and create an account, there are some additional information that they do show you. I'm not going to log in right now, let you guys do that. But that's the most important part, that you can get grants for your business as well as a business credit card for your business. Now, like I said, once you sign in, they do give you additional resources. They give you like discounts. I got a discount for Canva to help produce graphic arts. It's a great tool I use to make my thumbnails and help even edit some of my videos. The Canva website, so they give you a 20% discount. Things like that just for registering. It's totally free to sign up. They do, one of those free websites. So once you sign up for a free website, everything's not free in this world. They're going to get something. So you're not, putting out any financial, out the way. You're not putting any money in their pockets, but you are giving them data. You are giving them, clicks and stuff, what you're looking for, how much your business makes. So that data is worth a lot of money, and they possibly could sell your data. I'm not sure. They don't mention that, their information is sold. You're not putting any social security numbers or EIN numbers in there, but you do put the name of your business, where it's founded, where it's, located, and how much revenue you're looking to make or currently making. So they do use that data. So that's the nutshell of it. Go ahead and sign up for Hello Alice. Later.